Hello, in this video we're going to talk about reflections. So the reflections are kind of, you're going to take it, if you were reflecting like maybe a triangle over this line, it would look like this. So the younger elementary school definition of reflection is just to flip. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. We're going to be flipping, but instead of flipping shapes, like if we flip this over this line here, would look like, this. We're going to be flipping lines. And so we're going to start with the exact same line that we started with before, that y equals x. And we're going to flip this line over the y-axis. So if here's our coordinate plane, see if I can turn under all this. It's straighter. We'll take it. Okay. So if it looks like this, that's our parent function, or close enough to it. If we were going to flip it, what that means is, to reflect it, is we're going to flip it over our y-axis. So now, instead of going up, when I look from left to right, now the line is going to be going, close enough, down. And so when we have these reflections, what that does to our slope is, instead of our slope going up and over, now we're starting here and we're going down one and then to the right one. So our slope was 1 and now it's -1. And what that means is our line is now going downhill versus uphill. And so reflecting, unlike translating that changed our y-intercept, reflecting changes our slope. And specifically, it changes the sign of the slope. So instead of it going uphill, up 1 over 1, now we're going downhill. So if we started with the line y equals 1/2 x instead of the parent function, and we reflected it, now the line would be y equals -1/2 x. If we started with like a negative slope, like y equals -2x, now it would be y equals +2x. So in this, the reflecting a line, and again, we're going over the y-axis, you might want to write that part down too. It changes the sign of the slope. So if it was positive, now it's negative. If it was a negative slope, it doesn't change the number of the slope, and it doesn't change the y-intercept because it's still starting at the same place. It only changes what the sign, which is our direction of the slope of our line. Make sure to write this part down. Maybe write down, I don't know if you need to write a parent function, maybe you draw a little picture of reflecting, writing what it means, that it means to flip. Maybe put a couple of these examples on there. And this is kind of your big part on this one too.